In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Remote Play together with any game. We're going to configure Steam so streaming is smooth, low latency, and as automatic as possible. Before you start, make sure your Steam client is open and updated, and if you're on a laptop, plug it in so performance settings aren't throttled. Begin in the Steam desktop app. Look to the very top left corner of the window and click the Steam menu. This opens the app's main controls. From here, click Settings. The Settings panel is where Steam keeps all of the streaming and network options you'll want for remote play together. In the sidebar of the Settings window, click Remote Play. This page governs how your computer will host and stream gameplay to your friends. First, turn on the main Remote Play options and set anything labeled Automatic to Enabled. Letting Steam automatically manage detection and compatibility helps it choose the right codecs and bandwidth limits for your setup without you constantly tweaking things. Next, reveal the finer controls by enabling advanced options. This expands both host and client settings so you can optimize for speed and stability. Under the advanced host options, enable hardware encoding. This lets your graphics card handle video compression, which is significantly faster and reduces input lag. If you have both integrated and dedicated GPUs, make sure Steam is using the dedicated one for the best results. While you're here, enable prioritize network traffic. This tells your system to give streaming data a higher priority over background tasks, helping prevent stutters when someone starts a download on your network. For even better consistency, use a wired Ethernet connection or a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal and pause any big downloads while you play. Now move to the Advanced Client Option section. This controls how the video is received on the other end. Set the video quality preset to fast. Fast favors responsiveness over eye candy, which is exactly what you want for remote play together. A snappy stream keeps inputs feeling immediate and minimizes delays between button presses and on-screen action. Finally, set the resolution limit to automatic. This allows Steam to scale the stream up or down based on available bandwidth and device capability, reducing hiccups without you having to guess at a fixed resolution. That's it. With these settings saved, your system is tuned for remote play together. The next time you launch a game, Steam will use these optimized streaming preferences so your friends can jump in and play with minimal latency and maximum reliability. Enjoy your session and happy gaming.